Hey, cute butt.
We're Chloe and Matthew, two wine-loving foodies who have set out to explore the world one bite, sip and slurp at a time. In this series, we're exploring every iconic wine region in Australia to get a lowdown on the juice, the people and what makes them special.
If Nagambie Lakes isn't on your list of wine regions to explore, you're missing out. Just a short drive north of Melbourne, the beauty of Central Victoria combined with some amazing vino makes this a great exploration. And with some of the oldest vines in Victoria, the history running through this area is deep. We're here to explore. Just ignore the on and off again rain today. Major Thomas Mitchell plays a big part in the history of Nagambie Lakes. Specifically, Michelton Winery is located at the site where Major Mitchell crossed the Goulburn River on his trek from Melbourne to Sydney. The first grapes were planted on the site in 1969, with the winery and iconic tower built soon after. Restaurant and hotel were added in 2018. We found the wines here to be pretty good. Not necessarily standouts, but nice value for the money. The cellar door experience was pleasant, with attentive staff and generous pours. The ability to taste wines side by side was great for us, as we enjoyed comparing and contrasting styles, vineyards, and varietals. Definitely a good first stop for us.
Welcome to Tahbilk. We've been around since 1860. We're the oldest family-owned winery in Victoria. Current owners are the Tahbilk family. They've owned this winery since 1925. So it's now 6 generations of the Tahbilk family. Now, everything you see here is pretty much original. We've kept it like this on purpose because it's so unique. It's very hard to find very old, antiquated wineries like this anymore. So all the materials were actually sourced from the estate to build this cellar door. The indigenous Aboriginals that lived here were the Tongarong people. The Tongarong people named the area Tahbilk. Tahbilk in the Tongarong language means water hole. The indigenous languages, they don't have S for plural, unlike the English. So whenever they repeat a word, that's their plural. It means, so therefore, Tahbilk means many water holes. You know why we have an H to our name then? It was Francois Cousteau who decided to add the letter H to the word Tahbilk to make it more French European sounding. Famous for Shirazes and Cabernets. For the whites, we're world famous for Marsanne. Right? Marsanne is a very rare white grape from the northern Rhone region of France. But where we are, we've got one of the biggest, in fact, if not the biggest plantation of Marsanne in the world.
History just drips from every part of this property. Wandering the underground cellars, you really get a feel for how long they've been making wine here and how deeply their understanding of their site is. The wines were absolutely beautiful, and the Cabernet really surprised us.
It's very plummy, like dark black plum. It's a bit mint, Spanish cedar, like dark fruits, dark berry.
David Traeger is a smaller boutique winery located in Nagambie, producing wines from both local vineyards and Heathcote. The opportunity to compare between regions was a lot of fun here. We snuck in on a day when David wasn't normally open, so we couldn't give you the full tour of the cellar door located in the cellar. But this is definitely a place you must check out. Another Victorian wine region checked off the list. Join us next time as we head down south to the Mornington Peninsula, another Pinot Noir region we have to check out as we continue our search for the best Pinot in Australia. Be sure to like and subscribe below. It's going to be a beautiful adventure.